case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1996, the Colorado Court of Appeals heard the case of Hall v. McBryde ex rel. McBryde, which centered around the idea that causing apprehension of harmful or offensive bodily contact counts as intent for battery, and this intent can transfer to other individuals who are harmed by the act. The situation leading to the lawsuit involved plaintiff Eric Hall being shot while in a car during an exchange of gunfire. He claimed that Marcus McBryde, the son of James and Kathleen McBryde, was responsible for the shooting and accused the family of battery, negligent maintenance of a weapon, and negligent supervision. Despite none of the defendants appearing for trial, the court entered a judgment in their favor on all accounts. The main question at hand was whether Marcus shot the plaintiff with a weapon that was negligently maintained and supervised by his parents, James and Kathleen McBryde. Upon appeal, the court affirmed the judgment for negligence and negligent supervision claims against James and Kathleen McBryde. However, the judgment was reversed for the battery claim against Marcus McBryde, and the case was remanded for further proceedings, specifically to determine if Marcus had indeed fired the bullet that struck the plaintiff.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.